Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, as the case may be. So, Fahad, if you can switch to my presentation, please. And just jump on to the next slide straight away. So, this morning, I'd like to tell you about TriMedica, the company, the Tri-Temp or non-contact thermometer, about our distribution network, how we're helping in the fight against COVID-19, and finally, how we can benefit your region. Next slide, please. So, TriMedica was founded in Belfast in 2016 by Dr. Roshi Malloy and Julie Bryan, both who have many years of experience in product research and development, as well as international sales and marketing. We are an ISO 13485 accredited company, and our goal is to provide high quality, innovative products with the aim of reducing hospital spend and eliminating single-use plastics. In 2018, TriMedica were recognized as one of the top 100 game-changing businesses by Maserati and the Sunday Times. We now distribute into 21 countries worldwide, and the Tri-Temp is used in 20 of the top 100 hospitals in Germany, as well as major university hospitals across the UK, Ireland, Switzerland, and Austria. Next slide, please. So you may be aware that almost all nosocomial infections are caused by contact, including 1 in 7 COVID-19 infections. Next slide. Part of the solution to this problem is the Tri-Temp non-contact clinical grade thermometer, which is designed in the UK, manufactured in the EU, and which helps to stop the spread of infection and uses zero plastic consumables. Next slide. So a quick question for you. Which single device is used by every nurse, every doctor, in every hospital, every day for every patient with every condition? Next slide. So you guessed it, a thermometer. Removing plastic consumables can not only help the environment, but it can also produce massive cost savings for your healthcare system, not to mention the infection control benefits. So the example here shows the savings from a 900-bed hospital based over a 2-year period in US dollars. And that's simply by cutting out the little plastic sensor caps. Next slide, please. So this is our distributor network and where they're based. We started off in the UK and the Republic of Ireland. Then we pushed into the EU, and our focus now is on the Middle East. We are the market leaders in Ireland, Germany, Austria, and Sweden for non-contact thermometers. Next slide, please. We offer a comprehensive training program with 24/7 access to online training videos and technical support, as well as live webinars and workshops. Next slide, please. So on this slide, you can see the impact that the Tri-Temp has had across the UK and Ireland. I think you may be getting these slides shared with you afterwards, so you can read that in more detail later. Next slide. And one of the largest areas of impact that we have had is within the neonatal and pediatric intensive care units. Being able to take accurate temperature measurements without touching our most vulnerable patients is a complete changer, a game changer rather. Next slide, please. So we're already going through the process of looking for distribution partners in the GCC. We have already set up distributors in Kuwait, Qatar, and we're in conversations with a distributor in Saudi Arabia. The region leads the way with a patient recovery rate of over 80%, and TriMedica wants to try and help you to keep it that way. We want to provide healthcare systems within the GCC with an accurate, robust, and reliable non-contact infrared thermometer, which will help you to minimize the spread of infection, massively reduce your costs, and help your environment by reducing plastic waste. Next slide. And that's it from me. And if you have any questions, I'd be very happy to answer them at the end of the session. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Roy. And TriMedica is one of the companies that regularly comes to the region, and they've been regular exhibitors at Arab Health with Invest Northern Ireland. And hopefully when things get better and physical events and travel is possible, we'll have TriMedica over in the region. But in the meanwhile, if you guys have questions or you want to set up meetings with them, do get in touch with us. And now I'm delighted to invite Philip McKee, who's the sales manager at Biopanda Regions. Philip, if you'd like to switch on your camera and unmute yourself, please.